Are you looking for the best USB document cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best USB document cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. THUSTAR 8MP Document Camera. The THUSTAR 8MP document camera and webcam 4K is a versatile device designed for educators, content creators, and professionals needing high-quality visuals for live demonstrations, distance education, or video conferencing. It features an 8MP Sony CMOS sensor capable of capturing ultra-high-definition images up to 3264 by 2448 pixels at 30 frames per second, supporting A3 size documents for displaying large materials. The camera includes manual image flip functions, a 3-level adjustable LED light system, and an autofocus lens with a minimum focusing distance of 10 cm, ensuring clear and detailed visuals in various lighting conditions. Integrated dual microphones enhance audio quality, while its foldable, lightweight design makes it portable and easy to store. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS, it connects via USB Type-A with an included USB Type-C adapter, offering reliable cross-platform functionality for education, presentations, and content creation. Number 2. IPEVO V4K Ultra Document Camera. The IPEVO V4K Ultra High Definition 8MP USB document camera is a versatile tool designed for educators, professionals, and content creators seeking high-quality visuals for live demonstrations, distance learning, and video conferencing. Equipped with an 8MP Sony CMOS sensor, it captures ultra-high-definition images up to 3264 by 2448 pixels, ensuring clear and detailed visuals. The camera supports high frame rates, delivering smooth live streaming at up to 30 frames per second at full HD resolution. Its fast autofocus lens minimizes interruptions when switching between different materials, making it ideal for dynamic presentations. The built-in microphone enhances audio quality, and the multi-jointed stand allows for flexible positioning to capture materials at various angles and heights. Compatible with Mac, Windows, and Chromebook systems, the V4K operates via a USB 2.0 connection and is recognized by standard UVC applications, including Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. Additionally, it can be used with the free IPEVO Visualizer software for advanced features. Its compact and foldable design makes it portable and easy to store, suitable for both classroom and remote settings. Priced at $115, the IPEVO V4K offers a cost-effective solution for high-quality visual presentations. Number 3. INSWAN INS2 4K Document Camera. The INSWAN INS2 4K USB document camera is a versatile and budget-friendly tool designed for educators, students, and professionals seeking high-quality visuals for live demonstrations, distance learning, and video conferencing. Equipped with a 13MP Sony CMOS sensor, it captures ultra-high-definition images up to 3840 by 3104 pixels and supports 4K video streaming at 30 frames per second, ensuring clear and detailed visuals. The camera features dual-mode autofocus, allowing users to switch between single-time focus for static objects and continuous focus for moving subjects, making it ideal for dynamic presentations. Its multi-joint arm supports A3 size documents, 16.53 inches by 12.40 inches, accommodating large materials or multiple pages simultaneously. The built-in LED light provides optimal illumination, and the integrated microphone enhances audio quality during live sessions. The camera operates via USB-A plug-and-play connectivity, compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS devices, and works seamlessly with popular webinar software such as Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Priced competitively, the INS2 offers excellent performance and value for its cost, making it a compelling choice for those in need of a reliable document camera. Number 4. OKIOLABS OKIOCAM Document Camera. The OKIOCAM S2K USB webcam and document camera by OKIOLABS is a versatile 2-in-1 device designed for educators, remote workers, and content creators seeking high-quality visuals for live demonstrations, distance learning, and video conferencing. Equipped with a 3-megapixel camera sensor, it captures ultra-high-definition images up to 1920x 1440p, 4:3 aspect ratio, ensuring clear and detailed visuals. The camera features a high frame rate for lag-free streaming at 30 frames per second, making it ideal for smooth presentations and real-time interactions. Its fast autofocus capability allows for seamless transitions between different materials, enhancing the flow of presentations. Number 5. Mirabox 4K Ultra HD Document Camera. The Mirabox 4K Ultra HD Document Camera is a versatile 3-in-1 device designed for educators, remote workers, and content creators seeking high-quality visuals for live demonstrations, distance learning, and video conferencing. Equipped with a 10MP Sony sensor, it captures ultra-high-definition images up to 3840 by 2160 pixels, 4K, at 30 frames per second, ensuring clear and detailed visuals. The camera features a high frame rate for lag-free streaming at 30 frames per second, making it ideal for smooth presentations and real-time interactions. Its fast autofocus capability allows for seamless transitions between different materials, enhancing the flow of presentations.